In this video, I will show you how to sell XRP on Trust Wallet. To do this, first open up Trust Wallet and from the home screen click Sell, and then here select XRP. Now currently I don't own any XRP, so for this example I'll use Solana, but the steps are the same with XRP. So just choose how much you want to sell, and then you can choose the method for selling, and from there just click Sell in the bottom, and then it will connect you to the provider you picked, and from there you can then enter the details of where you basically want to withdraw the money to, and then it will be sold and withdrawn in cash to your bank account or another payment method that you picked. Now if you want to keep it on the platform, then what you can do is also go to XRP and then click Swap. And then from there just swap it to a stable coin such as USDT, and then once it is in the stable coin, it's basically the same as holding the dollar, since USDC, for example, tracks the dollar. So that's how to sell XRP on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.